Well, here we are in the river. Sky's first time out. She's gonna freak out and smelling everything and just freaking out. Marley understands. All right, y'all quit pulling so hard. Freaking blast. Yep. All right, I got the skunk off. I knew I was going to have to worry about that. Hey, 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 Sky! Over here. Come on. Go. Ooh. Look at here, guys. Saw that hit right there. Y'all stop. All right, nice little panfish. Here you go, Marley. Here, here, here. Come here. GoPro, stop. GoPro, stop recording. Sky, she doesn't know how to swim. What's the matter, Sky? You don't know how to swim? Come on, Sky. Come on, Sky. Come on, Sky. You can do it. Did you get scared? You almost drowned, huh? You didn't know that water sunk that deep. Come on, Sky. Come on. Jump in the water. Come on. What's the matter, Sky? Come on, Sky. Come on, Sky. Come here. It's okay. Come here. GoPro, stop recording. I guess I don't know. Hopefully I got that strike. Little panfish. Decent size panny. Sonny. Little X. Aww. Little baby got hurt. Little whitetail. All right, that's enough. Come on. Come on. Hey, what are y'all doing? Well, the small ones, ooh, ooh, there was a nice bass there. GoPro, start recording. Got some decent panfish today. GoPro, stop recording. Come on, guys. Come on, let's go. Oh, I got quite a few little bass in here. Whoa. Come on, babies.